Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how candy bars are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
We carefully monitor the temperature and mixing speed to ensure the nougat is perfectly fluffy and the caramel
We cook the nougat and caramel to the perfect consistency.
The temperature readings on the thermal panels look precise.
For the Chanja. Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
That's no sure.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility. And that's how candy bars are made, from start to finish.